My name's Jason. I'm currently a university student, but I'm looking to get into property investing and more stuff like that.
Awesome. And how long have you been doing property or thinking about doing property?
I've definitely been thinking about it for the last year and a half, but I've been actively pursuing my career in property for definitely the last 3 months.
Great. And why did you want to come to something like this?
Pardon?
Why did you want to come to something like this?
I wanted to come to something like this because there's someone from Samuel Leeds, someone like Samuel Leeds, valuable information, someone that knows the trade, someone that knows the game perfectly. I mean,
What's the environment been like, the room, the energy?
oh, the energy's been amazing. I mean, being around like-minded people is crazy. Everyone's on the same path. Everyone's trying to do the same thing. Everyone's trying to find deals. Everyone's trying to network. Everyone's trying to make friends. Everyone's cool. No one's. It's just a great environment to be in. Yeah.
And would you recommend this environment to someone?
Definitely. If you're, it's definitely the place to be. If trying to get into property, being around like-minded people is the best place to be around.